Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at these Marshalltown stainless steel knee boards. So when you look at these things, the first thing I'm going to point out is these are for doing concrete finishing. So when the concrete starts to set up, you're going to put your knee inside of this here, strap it on. It's got them on both sides, so you'll have double straps to make sure that it doesn't move, and then it has a toe kick back here. So you will actually put your shoe in here and be able to kick and move this thing around. But it works a lot like being on snow. It kind of distributes your weight so your knees aren't just going down in the concrete. It allows you to go across it without marring up the concrete. You'll get out in the middle on these two boards. You'll do your finishing by hand, and then you'll slide back on these using the toe kick. So some of the things to keep in mind, a good toe kick or a good concrete board is going to be stainless steel. That way you can clean it very easily. It doesn't have a lot of buildup. I've used these for a long time. They still look brand new. So if you're fixing to do a big concrete slab, you're getting into the concrete business, you're a DIYer, you want something to be able to get out there and do the finishing yourself, save yourself a little bit of money and time, do yourself a favor and get yourself a set of these Marshalltown concrete boards today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we'll see you guys on the next review.